What's up friends? This is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA show. Have you ever wondered how you can hide your Windows 10 taskbar?
Wow!
Change its size, change also its location on your Windows 10 desktop?
Wow!
Well, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can manipulate your Windows 10 taskbar.
Yes!
So please don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss anything on the process. So in order for you to manipulate your taskbar, like you want to hide it, you want to change the size and also the location of your taskbar, all you have to do is go here to the start button, click that one, and then you type in taskbar.
Okay.
Then once you see taskbar settings, you click that one. And once the taskbar settings is open, first is you want to hide your taskbar. So in order for you to be able to hide your taskbar, you go here and automatically hide the taskbar on desktop mode and turn it on. You click this one. There you go. Your taskbar is already hidden. So if you want your taskbar to come out again, all you have to do is mouse over here at the bottom, and then your taskbar will appear again.
Okay.
If you will move your pointer on top, it will automatically hide again. So that is how you hide your taskbar. Now next, how do we resize the taskbar? So let's turn this off once again to show our taskbar. So our taskbar right now is on its regular size. So if you want to make it smaller, you go here, use small taskbar buttons, and then you turn it on. Alright, so as you can see, our taskbar right now has gotten smaller. So if you want to turn it off again, so that is the original size of the taskbar. If you want to turn it on, and then it has become smaller. Now you can use this one if you have a very big or a very large monitor, or if you have a very small monitor, just like in a laptop. So I suggest you put this on mode so that you will have a very small taskbar. So you will have a lot of space also on your desktop.
Okay.
So next is, how do we change the location of our taskbar? So right now, our taskbar is on lock mode. So we're going to turn it off. Now our taskbar is unlocked. We can now change the location. So in order to change the location, we go here, taskbar location on screen. By default, it is at the bottom. If you want to change it, like put it on the right side, okay, you just select that one. So our taskbar right now is on the right side here. So if you want to change it and put it on the top, so right now our taskbar is on top, just like a Linux operating system. The taskbar by default or usually is on top. And then if you want to put it on the left, there, it is on the left side right now. And if you want to put it back at the bottom, there you go. You can also do it like this. You go here to your taskbar, click it, and drag it. For example, drag it to your right, just like that. Click and drag it to the top, just like that. Click and drag it to the left, just like that. Click, drag it to the bottom. So please remember, if you want to change the location, always unlock first your taskbar.
Okay.
So that's it. Hopefully you have learned a lot of things about how to manipulate your taskbar. So if this video has helped you a lot, hope that you will like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. So again, this is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA show. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye-bye!